Hey there, explorers. Welcome to Curious Sparks, the show where we dive into the coolest, most exciting topics that you love, like monster trucks and yeah, even Barbie dolls. Yep, it's all here. So here's how it works. Each episode is like a mini adventure. We uncover fun stories, discover amazing facts, and honestly, just explore together. And, well, I'm your guide on this wild ride. You can call me Max Velocity. But wait, did you know? Curious Sparks is all about you. That's right. Every time you tune in, you're helping me on this journey of discovery. Isn't it cool to think of yourself as part of this adventure? So, ready to ignite that curiosity and dive in? Let's go. No holding back. Hey there, young builders and curious minds. Have you ever looked at a massive crane or a bulldozer and thought, wow, how does that thing even work? Well, you're in the right place because today, we're diving into the thrilling world of construction vehicles. And trust me, they're way cooler than you think. Construction vehicles are basically the superheroes of any construction site. I mean, imagine trying to build a skyscraper or even just a simple road without these powerful machines. Impossible, right? These vehicles are the tools we use to reshape the landscape, from creating entire cities to crafting homes where families live. They're the unsung heroes behind all the amazing structures we see around us every day. Let's talk about a few of the stars of the show. First up, we've got excavators. These machines are like giant mechanical arms that scoop up dirt and rocks. They can dig trenches, carve out building foundations, and even help plant trees. Pretty versatile, huh? Now, meet the bulldozers, or just dozers for short. They're the tough guys of the construction lot, flattening everything in their path and pushing huge piles of dirt like it's no big deal. And then there are concrete mixers, which are like giant soup pots on wheels, but instead of soup, they mix up concrete. And we all know concrete is what holds so many buildings together. Oh, and wait till you hear this. The biggest construction vehicle in the entire world? It's called the Bagger 293, and it's truly a beast. This mega machine can excavate several thousand tons of earth in an hour. Isn't that just mind-blowing? Try picturing that. Several thousand tons in just 1 hour. Wild, right? That's just a glimpse into the incredible world of construction vehicles. They're not just powerful, they're also incredibly efficient. And, well, kind of cool to watch in action, don't you think? So we've talked about these amazing machines, but guess what? They're not just getting bigger, they're getting smarter too. Today's construction sites use some pretty wild tech to make sure everything runs smoothly and, well, like clockwork. Can you imagine machines thinking for themselves? Because kinda, that's what's happening. Let's start with real-time data analytics. Now that's just a fancy way of saying that the machines and tools on site are keeping tabs on everything as it happens. For example, they can measure the tiniest details about the ground, the weather, or even how much concrete is being poured. All this information helps builders make super smart decisions, like avoiding delays or keeping costs down. Pretty clever, huh? And get this, autonomous machines are now a thing in construction too. Yeah, we're talking about machines that can actually operate on their own, without a person behind the wheel. Like imagine a bulldozer or a truck just doing its job all by itself. These machines are guided by software and sensors, and they can do their work way faster and sometimes even better than humans. Mind-blowing, right? Now here's where it gets even cooler. Construction is going green. Alternative energy vehicles are taking over, using solar power, electricity, and even hydrogen instead of fuel. This stuff isn't just good for the planet. It's also making these machines quieter and more efficient. Builders are saying goodbye to noisy, smoky diesel engines and hello to a cleaner future. Can you imagine a construction site that's super quiet? Wild. But it's happening. Oh, and let's talk about this amazing case from Sweden. A construction company there introduced smart trucks equipped with artificial intelligence. These trucks figured out the best routes and how to load materials efficiently, cutting down on time, saving money, and reducing carbon emissions all in one go. Seriously, it's like these machines are solving puzzles as they work. Isn't that just the coolest? Technology is turning construction into something truly futuristic. Smart machines, green energy, and big brains behind every operation. It's like watching a sci-fi movie, but in real life. All right, team, let's talk safety. You know how superheroes always have their armor or safety gear? Construction workers are no different. Safety on construction sites is a big deal because we're working with powerful machines that can do amazing things, but also need to be treated with tons of respect. First up, we've got something called PPE, Personal Protective Equipment. Sounds fancy, right? But it's actually super simple stuff like helmets, gloves, steel-toe boots, and bright vests that help protect workers from injuries. Think of it like a construction site dress code, except this one can save lives. Pretty important, don't you think? And training? Oh boy, it's like going to superhero school. Workers are taught exactly how to use the equipment, where to stand, and even how to lift things without hurting themselves. It's all about being alert, prepared, and staying safe no matter what. But here's the cool part. Modern construction sites also have high-tech safety systems. Some machines come with proximity detectors, which are like virtual sensors that warn people when they get too close. Others have automated alarms that buzz or beep if something's about to go wrong. It's like these machines are saying, "Watch out, buddy. Isn't that awesome?" Now let me tell you a little story. Imagine this. There's a kid, let's call them Jamie, who loves construction vehicles. Jamie sets up a mini construction site at home with toy cranes, dump trucks, and even a tiny bulldozer. While playing, Jamie learns that standing too close to the machines could, lead to accidents. So Jamie decides on a safe zone around the toys, pretending it's a real construction rule. Fast forward a few years, and Jamie is all grown up working on a real construction site, knowing exactly how important safety is. All thanks to some toy vehicles and a little bit of imagination. Cool, right? So, here's the takeaway. Construction is amazing, but safety is key. Whether it's wearing the right gear, learning the rules, or trusting super smart tech, staying safe helps everyone go home happy and healthy. And that's a win for everyone. And that's all for today, my curious friends. Remember, the world gets built one step at a time, with a whole lot of care and creativity. Stay curious, stay safe, and I'll catch you next time on Curious Sparks. Bye for now.